Hello, all the students of the Standard 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I will ask all the homework which I will give you, which I have given you in math and science. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I am going to teach you maths. Standard 5, chapter 13 is going on circle. I have already started few example. I have explained you four formula that radius is equal to d by 2, diameter is equal to 2 into r, and circumference is equal to pi d, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. When you will use this formula, when diameter is given, when you will use this formula when radius is given. So now we will move to example number 2. Question is the diameter of a circle is 8.5 centimeter. Okay? The diameter of a circle is 8.4 centimeter. Find its radius. Solution. See, diameter is given, you have to find its radius. See, diameter is given, you have to find what you have to find radius. So for finding radius, what is the formula? D by 2. Diameter is given 8.4 centimeter and radius will be d by 2. So see, d is what given 8.4, radius is 2. Cross it. So 4.2 centimeter will be your answer. 2 times 4 8, 2 times 2 4. Very simply, if the radius will be given and you have to find diameter, then use this formula. Okay, so now we move to example number 3. The length of the diameter of a circle is the length of a diameter of a circle is 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Find its circumference. Solution. Length of a diameter of a circle is given. Okay. So I told you when diameter will be given, you have to use this formula. Okay. Diameter is length of a diameter is given. Okay. Length of a diameter of a circle is given what? 3.5 centimeter. What you have to find is circumference. Formula is pi d. Now see, I told you that pi value will be given. Here it says that you have to take the value of pi is 22 by 7. You have to go according to the question. If it is 3.14, then you have to use 3.14. If it is 22 by 7, then you have to use 22 by 7. See, the formula is pi d. So pi value is given 22 by 7 and d is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, it is in multiply, not in division. So see, what I will do, I will remove one decimal here. So decimal will take 1 and after decimal 1 number, so put 1 here. Okay, now see, 7 times 1, 7, 7 times 5, 35. 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2, 10. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 11, 22. So your final answer is what? 11 centimeter. Okay. Diameter is given, then we use this formula. When radius will be given, we will use this formula. Okay. Now we'll move to next question. Friends, come to solution. See, radius of a circle is given 4.2 centimeter. You have to find circumference. So what I told you, when radius will be given, use this formula. Okay. So 2 pi r. 2 pi value is given 22/7, and radius you have 4.2 centimeter. Okay. So see, remove decimal. Decimal take as 1. After decimal 1 number, so put 1 0. Now cut. 7 times 1 7. 7 times 6 14. 2 times 1 2. 2 times 5 10. Okay. So now it will not cross. What you have to do, multiply 2 6 12. 2 6 12 1 3 5. Now divide it. 5 times 2 10. 3 2 5 times 6 30. 2 0. 5 times 4. Okay, so this will be your answer. So we have seen how to find diameter when in the case of circumference. We have seen how to find radius in the case of circumference. Now we move to next example. Example number 154. Sorry, example number 1. Page number 154. Example. The question is the radius of a circle is 5.3 centimeter. 5.3 centimeter. One end point of a line segment lies on the center and its measure is 4.9 centimeter. Where will its other end point lie? So this is our question. The question is the radius of circle is assumed this is 5.3 centimeter. Okay, 5.3 centimeter. And one end point of a line segment lies on the center. Okay, and its measure is 4.9 centimeter. So one point you know that it is lying in the center, and its measure is what? 4.9 centimeter. So see, the radius is 5.3 centimeter. Here what you will write solution that the measure of the line segment is what? Smaller than the radius. Okay, so since 4.3 is smaller than the radius, therefore what? The other end point of the line segment lies in the interior of the circle. Okay, how I will tell you. See, radius is 5.3 centimeter. Okay, and its measure is 1.9. Its measure is 4.9 centimeter. If radius is 5.3, then other radius should be also 5.3, but it is what? 4.3 centimeter. So where it will come? It will come inside the circle only. That's why it's lying inside the circle. Name it A. And we move to the next question. The radius of a circle is now 6.8 centimeter, and one end point of the line segment lies on the center, and its measure is 7.2 centimeter. So where is other end point? So see here. Here question is that radius is 7.2 centimeter. It means other point also will be 7.2 centimeter. Sorry, radius is 6.8 centimeter. So other radius will be also 6.8, but here its other line segment 7.2. It means it is greater. So where it will lie? It will lie exterior of the circle. So the measure of the line segment is what? greater than the radius since 7.2 is greater than 6.8 centimeter. So the other point of the line segment lie in the where? Exterior of the. So with the help of this example, we will solve chapter 13.